Embark on a journey to reclaim your refrigerator's organization with the PartsBroz WP2156022 Door Shelf. A true testament to durability and design. For it is more than just a piece of plastic. It is the cornerstone of a tidy kitchen. This shelf is an ideal replacement for numerous models, fitting like a glove in your Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana refrigerators. And it is built to endure the rigors of daily life, so you will no longer have to worry about cracked or flimsy shelves. For instance, imagine this shelf as a sturdy bridge, capable of carrying the weight of your condiments, jars, and bottles without a single wobble, therefore creating a stable and accessible haven for your groceries. It is indeed a vital component. A perfect match for the Maytag Refrigerator Door Shelf 2156022. And it will seamlessly integrate into your appliance, just as a missing puzzle piece completes the picture. Moreover, this ultra-durable replacement, which supplants a range of part numbers like AP6005869 and PS11738931, offers a renewed sense of order and space, consequently transforming the chaos of your fridge into a symphony of neatly arranged items. The elegance of this Maytag Refrigerator Door Shelf 2156022 lies not only in its robust construction, but also in its simple, yet effective, design. Its crystal clear material allows you to see your items at a glance, thereby saving you precious time and preventing the dreaded "what's in the back" dilemma. This shelf is like a transparent window into your food's world. And because it is made of high-quality, long-lasting materials, it will not succumb to the stress of heavy loads or the constant changes in temperature. Furthermore, its smooth edges and solid build make it a fortress for your food, preventing spills and tumbles, and consequently keeping your refrigerator pristine. This replacement part is truly a breath of fresh air for your kitchen, and it is a reliable solution that will give you peace of mind, so you can focus on cooking and enjoying your meals, rather than on the state of your refrigerator's interior. In fact, this is the perfect solution for anyone seeking to restore their refrigerator's functionality and aesthetic appeal without breaking the bank. Ultimately, the PartsBroz WP2156022 Door Shelf is an investment in your kitchen's future, a promise of enduring quality and impeccable organization. It is more than a simple replacement. It is an upgrade, a metaphorical anchor in a sea of refrigerator clutter. This ultra-durable part, which also serves as a fantastic Maytag Refrigerator Door Shelf 2156022, will stand the test of time, and it will be a faithful servant to your household for years to come. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dependable, strong, and visually appealing shelf, then this is the perfect choice. For it offers not just a replacement but a restoration of your refrigerator's full potential. Therefore, with this shelf in place, you can finally bid farewell to disorganized and precarious food storage, and you can welcome a new era of effortless and efficient refrigeration. Pros: easy to install, great price, arrived quickly, exactly the item I needed, easily installed, came quickly, 5 out of 5 stars, 4 out of 5 stars, reviewed in the United States. Verified purchase. Cons: way too expensive, the price is too high. Features: compatible with multiple brands, replaces various part numbers, ultra durable replacement, easy to install, designed for refrigerator doors, made from high quality materials, fits Whirlpool refrigerators, fits Kenmore refrigerators, fits Maytag refrigerators, fits Amana refrigerators. The PartsBroz WP2156022 Door Shelf is a durable, high-quality replacement designed for easy installation in refrigerators from multiple brands. including Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana. It replaces several part numbers, such as AP6005869, PS11738931, and 2156022, and is built to be an ultra-durable substitute for the original shelf. This replacement part is compatible with a wide range of refrigerators, making it a versatile and reliable choice for a broken or worn-out door shelf. The PartsBroz WP2156022 Refrigerator Door Shelf is a highly rated, durable replacement part compatible with several brands including Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana. Customers found it to be the exact item they needed, easy to install, and praised its quick arrival. However, despite being a verified purchase with positive reviews, some customers felt the price was too high and described it as being way too expensive.